Condition, medical term. The pronunciation is as calcaneal, calcaneal apophysitis or apophysitis in American English, referring to the Calcaneus, calcaneal apophysitis or Calcaneus apophysitis. Condition, medical term. The pronunciation is as calcaneal, calcaneal apophysitis or apophysitis in American English, referring to the Calcaneus, calcaneal apophysitis or Calcaneus apophysitis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.